So let's start with today's recipe and watch the video till the end because I'll show you how to cook your dal perfectly for this recipe. So here I've heated a pan and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once our mustard seeds begin to splutter, I will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Next, I'm going to add 2 green chilies, the less spicy ones, and fry the chilies really well. So I like to use the light green chilies, just cut them up into small pieces. Then I'm going to add half an inch of ginger crushed fine, about 4 cloves of garlic crushed fine, and about 6 to 7 curry leaves. So this is basically our bagar or our fodni. So fry all of these ingredients really nicely. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Mix all of this really nicely together so that the rawness of all the ingredients goes away. Then I'm going to add 1 small onion that I've chopped fine. Fry that well. And once the onion becomes translucent, we're going to add 1 small tomato that I've chopped fine. Now before that, I'd like to add some finely chopped coriander. This is optional, but the fried coriander in this bagar also gives a lovely flavor to this dal. And then I'm going to add the small tomato. Fry everything well. Now we want the tomato to cook, so I'm going to cover and cook this for about 3 minutes on a very low flame. And after 3 minutes, you will see that the tomatoes have softened. So now just smash them up with the back of your spoon. Just mash them up roughly. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of cooked dal. That is, the dal is 1 cup when it's raw. So when you cook it, it comes to about this much of a quantity. So I'm going to add that to the pan. Now I like to have my simple dal little on the thicker side, but you can add water if you want it on a more runny consistency. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. And I'm going to mix all of this really well together. Now if you want a little bit of a sweetish taste, you can either add sugar or you can add jaggery or gur. Now I'm going to flavor it with some coriander powder, about 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of kitchen king masala. This really elevates the flavor of this simple dal recipe. Mix all of these ingredients really well together. And like I said before, if you want it more runny, then you just add a little bit of water. But I like it for this consistency. And now I'm just going to add some finely chopped coriander. Mix everything well, and I'm going to cover and cook this for about 5 minutes on a very low flame so that everything comes together. And then our simple dal is all ready to enjoy. Just garnish it with a little bit of finely chopped coriander. Like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.